ที่หนึ่งตะวันนาจะมาตุ้มที่ TIJ ไม่ได้
Ladies and gentlemen, if you are now at the TIJ Common Ground and hear my announcement, I would kindly invite everybody to join our Thai dessert workshop. We can find the wloi anywhere on the street food and some of the auspicious events, and you can make it at home. Wow, we got another pastry chef right here. Yes. Whoa, you're the best one. It means floating water lily because after this we're gonna roll it like a ball, and then when we put in the hot water, if it's done, it's gonna float out. You can join us. You can join us. Yeah. You're from Philippines, right? Mabuhay. This one is quite. It's the same family as below. Yeah. It's Thai version. We make it quite small, and if you like something extraordinary, we can add some sweet egg. They're gonna put the whole egg into the syrup and then boil it. After we make a small ball, which is not exactly the same sizes, we will leave it just for 5 minutes. But don't worry, it's your creativity. You know, last year there's a trend on TikTok how to make wloi in different shape. Yeah, and it's like, yeah. If you can do, you can eat. Yeah, this is one of the easiest menu that we can cook. Right now, chef, he pour all the balls in the same bowl, so we don't know whose bowl is it. No, don't worry. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. That's yeah. We celebrate diversity from this land. Yeah. See? Another reasons why wloi is one of the auspicious dessert for Thai, because in Thailand belief, we rely on Buddhism belief. They say people is like a lotus that grow from the mud under the waters, and then before it grows and blooms, it's gonna float up through the water surface, and it's the same way as this kind of dessert. So it represents the meaningful for some of the auspicious events. Hello, we are now in the wloi workshop. This is one of the Thai traditional dessert, and there's still room for you if you want to join us. Chef Tui, tell me the secret of the pendant leaf. Pendant. หนูหยิบตัวอย่างเลยลูก ตัวอย่างใบเตย Right here. You can cheer and smell it. Smell it. Yeah, you can cheer and smell. Yeah. That's very good smell. I really love it. And it can, when we extract it, we can get the natural green color when we make some kind of dessert. Because the basic menu of Thai are based on the glutinous rice flours. So there's only white color. Glutinous rice, the sugar, and also coconut. These three are basic, and it's all white, and it's not interesting at all. So we try to add some color. Yeah. There's another optional. Yo, cheers! Cameraman, please. This lady would like to cheers with wloi. And there's something extraordinary to add on it. We can get the coconut ice cream as the topping. This is one of the signature for the modern Thai style. Is coconut ice cream. You can find anywhere. Irene, how you feel?
I love the cream. It's really tasty. The cream. And this one is sticky but tasty.
So glad to hear that you love it.